If your hips feel locked up the moment you stand up, this class is for you. After 40, hip stiffness isn't just annoying. It pulls on your lower back, throws off your posture, and make everyday movement just more challenging. I'm Paola, I'm 52 years old, and in this gentle hip mobility flow, I'm going to walk you through proven exercises designed specifically for adults over 40 that will help you open up those hips, relieve tension, and get you moving freely again. No experience needed, just show up and move with me, and let's get started. So we're gonna start laying on our backs for our figure 4. But before we start, I want you to take both feet mat width apart, taking the arms by the side. And then just slowly start windshield the legs in and out. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Moving with your breath. Now bring both knees to the chest. Give yourself a hug. Keeping the shoulders relaxed on the mat, pulling the knees towards the chest. Drop both arms to the side. And we're gonna release both legs towards the right side, keeping the left shoulder on the mat, looking over the left shoulder for a spinal twist. Bring both legs all the way up. And now take the legs to the left side, looking over the right shoulder, grounding the right shoulder on the mat. Come back to center. And now take your right leg on top of the left knee for your figure 4. You can take your right hand to the right knee and gently press on the right knee. Breathing in and out through the nose. You can take your right hand under the right leg, interlacing both hands at the left knee. Or you can hug behind the leg if that feels more comfortable. You should be able to feel the relief on the outer hip. This is one of my favorite hip openers. Allowing the upper body to relax on the mat. Maybe deepening the pose but pulling in the left leg. Taking one more full inhale. One full and long exhale. Now we're gonna let go of the right leg and we're gonna do the other side. So left foot to the right knee, left hand to gently press on the left knee, so your left knee is facing towards the side. Upper body is relaxed on the mat. Feeling the stretch on the glutes, opening the left outer hip, taking the left hand under the left leg, interlacing both hands either behind the right leg or by the knee, or the chin, I should say. Maybe deepening the pose on your exhales. Just be mindful of your breath. Remember, your breath is always going to help you deepen the pose. Breathing in and out through the nose. Remember, after 40, our hips get really tight. Poses like this are going to help us release tension on the hips, open up the hips, release tension on the back, because there's a lot of back pain related to tight hips. Most of the time, I should say, lower back pain is related to tight hips and tight hamstrings as well. Then we're gonna release. We're gonna take the legs all the way up, and we're gonna start making circles with the feet for legs up the wall. Coming into our second pose, happy baby. We're gonna bend the knees, we're gonna grab the outside of the feet, and we're gonna rock side to side. Make Make sure that the upper body remains flat on the mat. If you can grab the outside of your feet, you can grab anywhere on your legs. Make sure that the knees are facing out. And if you have props available, like small towels, belts, maybe yoga straps. This is another favorite of mine, Happy Baby. Stretching the hips, opening the hips, stretching the groins, the inner thighs. Remember, repetition, repetition, repetition. If you practice all these poses daily, I promise you that you'll get more flexible. You're gonna notice a big improvement on your mobility. We're gonna take 2 more breaths in here. Beautiful. Now we're gonna sit all the way up. And we're gonna come into another favorite of mine, double pigeon. So double pigeon looks like a square. We're gonna make sure that both hips are flat on the mat. We're gonna start with the right leg. So we're gonna place the right leg on top of the right foot on top of the left knee and the right knee on top of the left foot. If there is a gap between your knee and your foot, feel free to grab a cushion, maybe a pillow or a block. And you have the option to gently press down on the right knee so that gap is a little smaller. Again, we sit up tall, we roll the shoulders back. We can take both hands to the top leg if that feels good. And if you want to open the shoulders, we're gonna take the right arm up, bend the elbow, left arm reaches back. Try to interlace both hands. If you can get a bind, feel free to grab a towel or again whatever prop you have. Hold it with the right hand and then slowly see if you can start walking the left hand all the way up. Eventually you'll get a bind. So we're gonna sit up tall, hold the shoulders back, inhale, and then on the exhale start folding forward. Wherever you are, make sure that you press evenly both hips towards the mat. We got 1 more breath in here. Now come all the way up and we're gonna release the bind. We're doing the left side, so we're gonna do the same thing we did on the other side, but this time the right leg goes on the bottom and the left leg goes on top. So foot over knee, knee over foot, either taking both hands to the top leg or taking the left arm up, bending the elbow, right arm reaches back, interlacing the hands, roll the shoulders back, lengthening the spine, gaze up, inhale, and then on your exhale, fold forward. Opening the hips, releasing tension on the hips. Taking your last breath in here. Now come all the way up. Beautiful. We're gonna release the bind. And now we're gonna be coming into our sleeping pigeon by taking the right leg forward, left leg goes back. We're gonna bring the foot closer to the groin if our hips are tight. So if your hips are tight, again, bring the foot close to your groin. Make sure that both hips are pressed down to the mat. If your hips are a little bit more open, Then you can bring your right leg on a 90-degree angle, taking both hands to the mat, pressing yourself up, rolling the shoulders back, lengthening the spine, taking a deep breath in. Exhale, walk the hands, melt the chest to the mat. Side to side. Any movement in here. Now we're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna do the other side. So we're taking the right leg back, left leg goes forward. Right leg is in one straight line from the hip to the toes, pressing ourselves up. Maybe your left leg is on a 90-degree. Maybe you bring the foot close to your groin. This is a great pose to improve your mobility, to open up the hips. Make sure that you're not sinking down onto your lower back, so you're lengthening the spine. Again, you can find movement in here. You can find stillness. Breathe in. Breathe out. So we're coming into our last pose, our frog pose. This is a pose that everybody have mixed feelings. Some people hate it, some people love this pose. So we're gonna come sideways. We're gonna take the knees to the side and we're gonna make sure that the knees stack over the heel, knee over heel, sinking the hips low. Try to keep one straight line from one knee over the hips to the other knee. You're taking the forearms to the mat. Maybe you're all the way up here, and that's completely fine. Keep sinking the hips low. Feet are facing out. We're gonna stay here for 3 breaths. And this is gonna be really intense. It's gonna be really intense on your hips. This is definitely an intense hip opener. You can always move with your breath. Remember, consistency is the key. Practice, practice, practice. Breathe into the hips. Connecting to your emotions. Feeling the release. Release on those hips. How are we doing? Taking your last breath in here. Beautiful job. So however you can, come flat to the mat, bring the knees to the chest, give yourself a hug, rock side to side. And if you made it this far, I'm gonna ask you to please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And if you wanna take care of your joints from the inside out, and you're looking for vitality, you're looking for muscle resilience, Try Forever Vital 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and cholesterol. I'm gonna leave you guys a link right here and in the description below. And whenever you're ready, we're gonna take both feet mat width apart, arms by the side, and we're gonna windshield the legs in and out. Now take both feet to the mat width apart, letting the armpits breathe, coming into your final Savasana. Stay here for as long as you want to, and I want to thank you so much for practicing with me. And if you want to keep practicing with me anywhere, anytime, remember Vibrant Age Yoga. I'm gonna leave you guys a link right here. That's my own app, powered by AI, and it's an app for adults over 40. We have all styles of yoga, all length. So I can't wait to see you guys inside the app, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Have a beautiful and blessed day wherever you are.